Tomorrow at 8 on National Geographic.
I got these things from Amazon, but the only problem is they're gray on gray. So what I do is I color them. So I'm showing you how I do that. I take this marker I bought. It's a paint marker in the craft store. Sorry for the camera angle.
Is the skull fractured? It's basically just fractured right off the skull. You can see under her sinus where Poppy's antlers fractured are basically right off the skull.
Kind of see it like that.
Piece of the skull
See, it messed up a little.
Right now I'm just closing like
and I just stuck it in a
this
Ziploc bag until I get them all done.
And that's because it's left her
Right here.
serious sinus infection in this area.
Take your marker
into the brain case over time. So I'm just going to give her some antibiotics to help her fight any potential infection. Can you hold her head just like that? Okay, so now number 2. Oh no. Sad. I suspect her ability to
Just
grow
like that.
a big, beautiful rat.
It's the easiest way I found to paint them. I mean, you're going to get some on you. You're going to mess some up. I mean, you see the gray.
The pedicle is the source of the new
And we'll paint one and see what you think the difference is.
Or you get really funky, weird antler growths. Oh yeah, so I can see where So whatever you see there is where it's broken off at. I didn't cut any bone at all. So it literally was just sitting there.
So
I'll show you where it's fractured. You see that? Yeah,
you can tell the difference between gray.
Definitely not as serious. It's just sheared away right at the skull, and at least the sinus is
red.
protected. I'm not 100% sure if she's going to regrow these antlers or not. Almost done. Poppy could end up being a bald reindeer. Poor little beauty queen. So we'll just have to see next year if she grows antlers again.
So you can see the difference in painting the color. So it's not perfect, but you can tell the difference. Then I painted the metric ones blue because that's how Toolbox has theirs. So that's what I use for a pattern. It's blue for metric, red for save. So that's what I was thinking about. Thought I'd show you how I did it. I mean, it takes a little more steady hand than I have to make it look better, but that's what I got. That's what I'm doing. I thought you'd get a kick out of it and see what's neat. We'll talk to you later.